Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video
For removing and replacing the alternator,
on a 2015 F-150 with the 5.0 liter V8.
start off by disconnecting the negative from the battery and removing the serpentine belt and tensioner. If you have a stock bumper, removing the lower bumper valance will help you gain better access. I'm carefully using a dead blow to remove the alternator. Unplug all of the electrical connections on the backside before removing the alternator. I found it easiest to remove it from below. Once you get the alternator in place, reinstall the electrical connections before bolting it back in. Thank you for watching this how-to video. Subscribe to my channel for weekly videos, and don't forget to check out the product links listed in the description below. Thanks for watching.